It's Wednesday and we're about to leave to go to Tennessee. So, yeah. So I'm going to give you guys a little house tour. So whenever you walk in, this is the kitchen area. It's pretty nice. Everything in the house is wood and like stainless steel and stuff. So yeah, it's really nice. You got the kitchen right there. Then over here you got like the kitchen table. You got some sofas, leather couches. Going up the stairs, you got your chess, your TV, pool table, little retro game thingy. I don't really know what that is, but it's pretty cool, I guess. And pull out couch that my brother's gonna sleep on. And yeah, so that's basically the upstairs. And there's my brother right there, like an idiot. Another view of the kitchen. And then this is where I'm gonna stay. I stay downstairs in the basement. Really nice, by the way. Pool table, leather couch, little table with whatever that game is. I don't really know. Big TV. And this is a really sweet part. You got this little patio, some chairs, and a hot tub looking over the Smokey Mountains. Really nice. Sit in that hot tub. Yeah, it's really cool. And this is my bedroom, which by the way is really freaking comfortable. Got this, I think, king or queen size bed. Small TV, but I don't really watch TV, so it doesn't really matter. And yeah, and then there's my laptop right there. Made that myself, that little background myself. And then this is the part that's really nice. Big bathroom, huge jacuzzi tub, all that stuff. And yeah, guys, if you're wondering where my mom's sleeping, she's sleeping upstairs. So hope you guys enjoyed this little tour video, and we're gonna continue on with this trip vlog. Okay, so I just got ready. We're about to go white water rafting, and I really don't think I'm gonna be able to record any of it because I don't have a GoPro, and I don't really want to ruin this today. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get like pictures or anything like that, but I can't promise anything. So
What?
how was whitewater rafting?
Cold.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
1 out of 10, how fun?
10.
Nice. Just got back from whitewater rafting, and it was a lot of fun. It was my first time ever whitewater rafting, and I almost got killed like 5 times. But hey, yeah. It's the next day, and we're gonna go hiking at some waterfall thingies, like hike up the mountain, go to some waterfalls. So I'm gonna record some and see you there.
Oh, these are the bridges they were talking about. They said narrow log bridge.
Probably not. No, right? Yeah. No, I'm videotaping some of it. So this is Abrams Falls. It's a really nice waterfall and little like pond, not really pond, but it's like a little thing of water right there at the waterfall. It's really nice. Really good pictures, and yeah, so there's going to be a bunch of pictures at the very end of this video, so just stick around and then you'll get to see some really good pictures. So yeah.
That's why I take all these women out of medicine. Just to get some extra thrills. Say hell no to my lawyer, you can throw out all my deals. I'm like ring ring.
So this is whenever we were climbing the whole way to the top of this mountain, and this is actually the very top right here. Whenever 5 states are visible, it was very high up, 6,700 feet roughly, and it was a really good experience. Could barely breathe up there, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys some pictures right about now, and I hope you guys did enjoy this. It was a really good trip, and just leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. So enjoy the pictures. See ya.